Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and today I am here to explain about my one of my skill test project, which is Superhero Hunter. So basically this project is created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There is a framework used in this project which is Bootstrap for styling. So this is a preview of my project, which is a navigation menu of and a favorite button and the search bar. So basically if I type superhero, then it will automatically give me the list of superheroes which are fetched from marvel.js. So this is a name, so I can also add as a favorite, and if I want to know about this superhero, then I will go to learn more. So here is a long description about a superhero. If I like this superhero, then I have to add as a favorite. Then it will show successfully added to favorite. So if I want to know who are my favorite, then I will click on favorite button. Then it will show me my favorite character superheroes. So this is a list of favorite. If I want to remove someone, then let's suppose Hercules, I don't know about this one, so I will remove it from my list. So it will automatically remove from the list. And so this is the superhero project which is created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here is a files which is basically a common CSS file and the image for a favicon, and about JS, favorite JS and index JS. These are three pages, and three pages have a separate JavaScript file. Also about us favorite.html and index.html. So basically index.html has a part of the this page. So basically this has a navigation menu, search button. This is created by using Bootstrap. There is a framework used as a for customizing the street style, and there is a secondary style sheet which is of index.js, and I have also used as a used font Nuninto, and this is about my index.js navigation menu. So here is a button favorite button, and there is a superhero search section, and then there is a search results with appear section, and this is the identity which I want to know, and there is a favorite button, and there is a snack bar which is a alert tab box which is created by using CSS and JS, and this is the ID which is successfully added to favorite. If I add to favorite, then it will automatically tell me the you have added the added this as a favorite. And if I come to the favorite.html, so also same as the index.html, it has also a navigation menu. It has also the name and identity of the hero that I have added as a favorite. And this is same as a favorite.html, index.html, and also about.html has a template which is same as the index.html, but it has a different identities. So it has all the identity that are available as for that superhero, and it will link to the back button, so which is automatically goes to the back, and there is a JavaScript file attached with this file. If I go to the index.js, there is a public IP I've created by using marvel.js developer pack. So I have converted public IP and private IP to the empty as, and get the ID from the HTML file and search query with the HTTP request, then parses. This function is done search query with the HTTP request. Secondly, I have getting the URL from the API. So this is my URL of the API, and this is the API, and this is the hash code. So when the search is done, this will pass through them. If the search query is not done, then console.log will print the name cannot be empty. If else, then it will take the search query and go through. So I fetch the canvas from the canvas ID and searching the string, and the function will display the data on the screen. So this function will display the data on the screen as a superhero list as a ID, and then printing my result on a screen for for debugging. And if result is not found, then no superhero will found alert. And if and this is about if the result is fetched, if the search query is matched with the result. So here is a template name, ID, comic series and stories which I have fetched from the JS, which is result. So this is the set event listener. If I add to favorite, then it will automatically add to the favorite button as a local storage dot set item. I have stored as a ID. And this is the function for snack bar which is appearing on the bottom of the screen when I add to favorite. So this is the favorite.html. I've also already talked about the canvas and local storage.length, which is local storage that I stored from index.js. And there is a traversing on the local storage of the favorite, and I am getting the local storage data in the JSON format. Then I have created the template for showing the result. This is a template where what I have created. Then I have fetched from my storage. There is a variable my storage which is get the information from local storage. So this is all about the favorite.js. So this is so the result ID is matched from ID, and if the fetch is done, then the HTTP request will go through, and the search query will paste on the URL. This is already stored in a database, but we are fetching all the details from the superhero. So this is the result.id. And if I request.send and onload, the function will give all the information as a document.getElement by ID to code. So sir, so everyone, thank you so much. This is all about my superhero project, which is done by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only.